Dear students, we will continue discussing the chapter The Fun They Had. So in the last video we ended up the portion where Tommy and Margie they were discussing about the school, old school, and Tommy was trying to make Margie understand that old school which was mentioned in that book was different from their present school. But Margie was having still some doubts and she was asking Tommy like where all the children studied the same thing in old school. Then Tommy replies that yes, they studied the same thing if they were in the same age. Then Margie says, my mother says that the teacher should be adjusted to each student and their capacity. That is what Margie's mother says. That means all the students cannot be taught same way. The teacher has to be adjusted according to each student's capacity. That was the opinion of Margie's mother. So Margie was feeling that teaching all the children the same way, it won't be good enough. Then Tommy gets little angry and he says that it was not done earlier days or in olden schools. So, and if you are not interested reading this book, then no need of sitting here or sitting with me to understand what is given in this book. Then Margie says, no, I did not mean that I don't want to read the book. I just said my opinion only. And as they were talking like that, Margie's mother comes and says, Margie, it is time for your school. That means now she has to go to that room, classroom, and the computer or the robotic teacher will be ready for taking class for her. Then Margie says it is not at time. Then mother says no, it is time, and also she informs that maybe it will be time for Tommy too. So Tommy also is having everyday class by the mechanical teacher in his own house. So what mother says is enough, you are talking and all, now it is time for you to study, go to your classrooms. So as Margie was going, Margie said, after my class again, I would like to know more about that old school, or you must give me chance to know about old school. That means give that book for reading. Anyway, Tommy nonchalantly, one word is given there, nonchalantly means not showing much interest, said okay, maybe you may read it. So anyway, Margie get into her classroom and the computer or the robotic teacher was or mechanical teacher was ready for taking class, and she was asked to fill the slot where the previous day's homework should be put, and the mechanical teacher informed her that today we are going to study arithmetic, so proper fraction of addition we are going to learn. Like that, the mechanical teacher informed the topic that is going to be discussed. But in the mind of Margie, that old day school's situation was just going on, and she was fed up with this new system of teaching or her own classroom. As Margie was filling up the homework in the particular slot that was given in the computer, she was busy in thinking about that old school, and really she was liking that system. The all neighborhood children coming together, going together to the school, chatting and talking, and learning the same thing, sitting together in the class and helping each other. So in homework, doing homework and all that, and after the class, again going home together, and human teachers teaching. All those things was just going on through her mind as she was doing her homework, and she was just thinking what a fun they had in olden days, and she really liked that system of schooling. So dear children, this is the end of the chapter. So please read the chapter again and again. Write down the new word meaning in your copy. And now I will give some important questions and their answers that also you can write down in your copy. Write it neat and clean. We will check later on. After writing down, you can study also. And we will meet in the next video. Until then, bye. So please write down the notes.